7th standard student. Today I am going to teach first chapter of science for 7th standard, that is nutrition in plants. In 6th standard you all studied about the nutrition, right? What are the components of nutrition and all? What are the component of nutrition? Carbohydrates, then proteins, vitamins, minerals and fats. These are all the components of nutrients. All together is called as the nutrients. Where does all these nutrients you will get from? These nutrients you will get from your food. Where the food you will get from? Where you will get the food? From the plants, right? Plants, it will prepare their own food. But humans, we depend upon the plants. Animals or humans, we directly or indirectly will depend upon the plants for us, for the food, right? Yes. Now the first topic we are going to study is the mode of the nutrition. What are the modes of the nutrition? Modes of the nutrients. As I told, animals and humans will directly or indirectly will depend upon the plants for the food. But plants, it prepare their own food. So we'll see, as we animals or humans will get nutrients from the plants, right? Carbohydrates, minerals, vitamins and all will get from the plants. But plants, how will they get the nutrients? We'll see that. First of all, we'll see what is the nutrients. What is a nutrients? Nutrients is a mode of taking food by an organism and the utilization of it. Mode of taking food from the organisms and its utilization. It is a nutrition. Nutrition is a mode of taking food from the organisms and its utilization is a nutrients. And what is the use of this? The nutrition, how it will use it? It helps, it enables, means it helps us for the body growth, to grow, body growth, and to repair the damaged part, etc. These nutrients, it helps us to for the growth of your body, and it helps us to repair the body parts, and it provides the energy for all the parts of the body. Understood? And this most of nutrients, it is divided into two parts, that is autotrophs and heterotrophs. Heterotrophs. Remember these mode of nutrients is divided into two parts, autotrophs and heterotrophs. We'll see what is autotrophs. Autotrophs means it is a living organism which prepare their own food from themselves. For themselves it will prepare their own food, is called as a autotrophs. Divides like a auto and trophs. What is auto? If we divide this auto and trophs, auto means a self and trophs means nourishment. Autotrophs, if we divide, auto means self and nourishment, means the organisms, it prepare their own food with using a simple substances. Using simple substances. Understood? Autotrophs means the organisms which prepare their own food using simple substances is called autotrophs. If we divide, auto means self and troph means nourishment. What is heterotrophs? The organisms which depend upon the other organisms for their food. That is called as a heterotrophs. Here, hetero means other. Trophs means, as I told, trophs means nourishment. Okay. These are all your modes of nutrients. The next class we are going to study how the plants it will prepare their own food. Okay, thank you.